Mayon volcano is currently experiencing pyroclastic density current, or USON, according to PHIVOLCS. Meanwhile, heavy ashfall continues to blanket Albay towns, severely affecting homes, farms, and livelihoods. Here's the report.
News 5 visited Barangay Tumpa in Camalic, Albay, one of the areas closest to the 6-kilometer permanent danger zone around Mayon volcano. Houses remain covered in thick volcanic ash. Some residents have started cleaning, but their homes are quickly covered again when vehicles pass by. Beyond homes and establishments, the agricultural sector is also heavily affected. Drone footage shows vegetable farmlands in Albay, including pechay crops, now shrouded in ash. Rice fields that were expected to be harvested by the end of the month have also been covered in volcanic dust. Farmer Arnel Nacor was even seen harvesting okra, not for sale, but to be used as fertilizer.
Di naman bibilin yan.
Bakit?
Abon na sir. Wala nang
Hindi na
bibili
maagapan?
yan. Hindi na. Pag ganyan, wala na yan. Tuyo na yan. Bago lang asphalt sana kunin ko yan.
O kaso,
Wala na. Hapon na eh.
Other crops such as tomatoes, eggplants, and string beans have also been damaged.
Pagkakataon na sana para kumita eh. Yung dapat sana is nasa 20K kada isang harvest is nawala na.
Barangay officials estimate that more than 100 farmers have been affected by the ashfall from Mayon volcano. Local government units are now considering cash for work programs to assist affected farmers. Similar conditions are being experienced in neighboring Ginobatan. Trees at the foot of the volcano have also turned gray due to heavy ashfall. Multiple fire trucks from various local governments in Region 5 have been deployed to assist in flushing operations. However, water supply remains a major challenge in Ginobatan, especially during the dry season. Governor Noel Rosal visited Barangay Miisi in Daraga, where thick volcanic deposits were discovered as a result of pyroclastic flow and rockfall activities from Mayon volcano. The deposits are reportedly more than 100 meters deep, covering gullies and vegetation in the area.
That's in the boundary of the 6 kilometers permanent danger zone. Pero maraming nagtatanim doon. Pag hindi natin ito na agapan, hindi natin ito bilang aksyon, delikado na sa next lahar flow, baka bumaba pa ito.
PHIVOLCS warns that heavy ashfall may still occur as Mayon volcano remains under alert level 3, indicating ongoing magmatic unrest.